Hello guys, this is Hitesh Sharma. Welcome to my channel. Today my review is about Health Card Protein. This is Health Card Protein in my hands. So I've not purchased this protein. I've got this from Health Card because I participated in a quiz and I've got it as a prize from them. I won that quiz. This is the free shaker that I've got. It's of nice quality, you can see. So today I'll be reviewing about it, talking about it, its competitors in the market, and I've not tried this product, and I'll gift it to my sister or my mother, because as far as I think that to as a gym goer I should take a complete whey or a complete casein protein. But talking about this protein, you'll be getting a composition of whey, casein, and soy protein, which is quite good. If you are whether you are going to gym or not, whether you are new to gym or you are advanced gym person, then also this is the one protein you can include in your daily meal plan, because it's a composition of a slow digesting and fast digesting protein. So I would suggest that you can take this protein in the morning, but for post workout I would definitely say that whey is best. And here it contains whey, casein, and soy protein. Per serving is of 30 grams, and you'll be getting 15 grams of protein in this. Its main competitors in market are Health Vita Protein. Health Vita Protein, you can again get it from healthcard.com. It is having same composition and same amount of protein and minerals, vitamins, and is priced at the same price tag, which is of around 900 to 1200 900 to 1200 rupees. Uh, so you can buy either of them, Health Card Protein or Health Vita Protein. Another main competitor in the market, which was there from past 4 5 years, I've seen that it is there in the market, is very famous Amway Neutralite protein. It's a plant protein. That Amway protein is a plant protein. In that you'll get a soya, wheat, and yellow pea protein there. But here you will get certain dairy and soy protein. So if you are lactose intolerant, then you should definitely go for Amway protein. But as far as price is concerned, you can look for this also, Health Card Protein. So if you are going for Amway Neutralite protein, it will cost you on the higher side quite. It will cost you around 2894 rupees, but its quality is also good, because you'll be getting 8 gram protein per 10 gram of serving. So that's quite cool. But here you'll be getting 50% of protein in serving, because you are getting 15 grams per 30 grams of serving. So that's the difference between them. You can also go for Protein X, which is again a complete pea protein. You can take that, but you cannot consume it more than 2 or 3 scoops, as it's more or less like a Bonvita or a Horlicks kind of thing. So you can definitely, if you are engaged in certain household activities, or you are engaged in certain physical activity, maybe might not be gym or something, but so you can go for this protein, or you can include it in your daily meal plan in the morning or something. So this is my review about this protein. If you have any queries, please, I'll be happy to help you answering your queries. Please write down all those in comment sections. Thank you for watching my video. Hit subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.